Dear students, today's topic is solubility of gases in liquids. Yesterday we have discussed about solubility of solids in liquids. Today we will discuss about solubility of gases in liquids. And you know that gases are soluble in liquids. Gases are soluble in liquids. As we know that oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, all the gases are soluble in water. Now we will discuss the various factors which can affect the solubility of gases in liquid. The first effect is effect of temperature. How temperature affects the solubility of gases in liquids. Now, solubility of gases decreases with increase in temperature. Solubility of gases decreases with increase in temperature. As we know, if we heat the liquid, the gases comes out from it. The gases comes out from it, which by which we can understand that with increase in temperature, solubility of gases decreases. Now, the second effect, the most important effect, is effect of pressure on solubility of gases. The solubility of gases increases with increase in pressure. As we increase the pressure, the solubility of gases also increases. We can understand this by this example. In this case, there is no pressure applied on gas, but now we are applying pressure by putting these weights on liquid solution. Now you can see that by applying pressure, the number of molecules per unit volume is increased. The number of molecules per unit volume is increased, which means the solubility of gas is also increased. Now, the effect of pressure is studied by Henry. The effect of pressure on solubility of gas is first of all discussed by or studied by Henry. He stated Henry law. In which he stated that the solubility of gases is directly proportional to partial pressure of gas. The solubility of gases is directly proportional to partial pressure of gas. It means if you increase the pressure of gas, its solubility will also be increased. The second statement is the mole fraction of gas. The mole fraction of gas, mole fraction is denoted by X. The mole fraction of gas is in solution is directly proportional to partial pressure of gas or pressure of gas, which means P is directly proportional to XA. XA is partial pressure of gas. P is equal to KH into XA, where KH is Henry constant. KH is Henry constant. The value of Henry constant KH varies with temperature. You can see by these examples that KH for nitrogen at 293 Kelvin is 76.48, where at 303 Kelvin the value of KH is 88.4. Now, if we study the Henry law by a graph, you can see that we obtain a straight line because P is directly proportional to X, in which the slope tells about KH of the solution. Now the question is, what happens with solubility of gases if value of Henry constant is increased? Answer: